I'm Philo.
I'm Kiko.
And today we're going to show you this experiment to prove that a candle needs oxygen to survive. So Kiko will show you what you need.
You need a candle, a lighter, a glass of water, a cup made of glass, and a mug.
So first you take your candle and place it in the middle of the dish full of water. Okay, so then you lighten the candle. You might need a grown-up to help you. Okay, so now we've measured how much water there is. So there it is. Now look what's happening to the flame. That's because the oxygen, when it was used by the fire, the water went into the glass and replaced the oxygen. That's why it happened. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss our latest videos. See you next time.